In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Australia Post with Shopify easily in 2025. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to streamline your shipping process right within Shopify by incorporating Australia Post's services. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to optimize your existing setup, this integration is essential for Australian-based sellers looking to efficiently manage their logistics. First, let's begin by navigating to your Shopify admin page. Open your web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your store's homepage, commonly known as the My Store dashboard. This is your command center where you have access to all your store's features and settings. Next, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. Click on the Apps section, which will lead you to a page showing the current apps you have installed and those available for Shopify. This section is key because it's where you can enhance your store's functionality by integrating various tools and services. Now, let's find the Australia Post integration. At the top of your apps page, you'll see a search bar. In this search field, type in Australia Post. Press Enter to initiate the search. Shopify will then pull up a list of related applications that can be integrated with your store. Among the search results, look for the Australia Post My Post Business app, which is the official tool you need. It's crucial to select this specific app to ensure compatibility and reliability, as it's designed to work seamlessly with your Shopify store. Click on the app to view more details about it. When you're ready, hit the Install button on the app's Details page. This action will begin the process of adding the application to your Shopify store. You may be prompted to grant certain permissions to this app, which is necessary for it to function correctly. Ensure you're comfortable with these permissions and proceed to confirm the installation. Once the installation process is complete, revisit the Apps section in your Shopify admin. Here you'll find the newly installed Australia Post app within your list of apps. Click on it to start configuring your shipping settings. By integrating Australia Post with Shopify through this app, you'll be able to manage and streamline your shipping tasks more effectively, offering a better experience for both you and your customers. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now equipped with Australia Post's reliable shipping services. By following these steps, you've ensured that your business logistics are a little bit more streamlined, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful e-commerce tips and tutorials.